Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add borders to your design in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open a Canva PC version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Then to get started, you can click apps, then click design essentials, and here we go. You can try to search can border, create borders for your design. So finding the perfect borders for your design can be hard. Why not generate it yourself exactly how you want it? Select the size, width, color, type, and even the blurriness of your border. Click use in new design, or if you already have a existing design, you can try to use it. For example, this one. So here we go. This is the can border. You can choose the solid or the dashed. So for example, this is the solid one. So you can create the margin, adjust the margin, border thickness, then border color. So you can simply add to design, and here we go. So you can add multiple borders, even triple borders. Here for example, then add again to designs. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.